So I wanted to take a quick video and show you guys what my garden looks like this time of year. It's really quite a jungle. A lot of things have left their beds. This bed here, you can see where the hoops are, that's where the bed is, but things are just growing all over the place. And we still have leeks even here that we're still picking. And I know it looks terrible, but this stuff is growing like crazy. There's spaghetti squash and tomatoes, and everything is using the okra to climb like a trellis. I still have all my tomatoes here, and they've slowed down quite a bit, but they're hanging on. We've got some more tomatoes over here, and these are all determinate tomatoes that are about to be pulled. We've got pumpkins and squashes and more squashes. And here is a bed with watermelon, and you'll notice that there's some weeds and stuff coming up in this bed, and I am okay with that because they are going to get pulled out at the end of the season. Here is a big bed of okra, and there's beans on the side, more cucumbers. Here's some more okra, lots of volunteer flowers. The corn has all been picked. I'm just letting the stalks dry out because it makes it easier to pull them out. Got some more cucumbers. So you can see, even in this hot July weather, our garden is doing just fine.